This is morning of day 5. We headed out about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we left Rock Springs and headed up 191, and then we took a right and came across into Wyoming on 28. It was a good ride. First part was pretty flat, as you will see, and off to the left we had the Tetons, and then we came up into Lander, which is where we're at right now. But it was a good morning. Wayne and Brandon had to leave and head back home for business this morning, so it's just 3 of us now. We're headed up toward Cody and then on to Red Lodge. So having a good day. A little cool this morning, which was nice, and then we're also getting into the warm weather. So we made it through the night at the hotel last night. Wasn't the greatest of places, but we made it and lived through it so far. So we'll see you down the trail. Bye. Hey there, not sure how this will turn out with the water in the background, but it's a beautiful sight, river flowing through Red Lodge, so I wanted to try and do a video here. The clip you're about to see is when we were coming up today, one of my favorite canyons to ride through, and it's got a river, railroad, and then the road that we're riding on, and as you will see, it's got tunnels and it's just got everything. It's a really nice ride, winding ride down through the canyon, and it's on Highway 20, and I would highly recommend it anytime that you're able to go through there. So this is a good clip. Before I show you this clip, I want to show you this picture of a Wyoming moth. They are quite something. That is my quarter that is laying beside the moth, just to show the size that this moth is. I tried to get my quarter back, but the moth started growling at me, so I decided to let him have the quarter and just go on and count my losses. So hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you a little later again from Red Lodge. Here I am again from Red Lodge. We rode in this afternoon, got here about 4:30 or so. It was a hot afternoon and a lot of again wide open spaces, but had a great time, great ride. A little hot the last 2 hours, but we got here, got settled into the room, and then we ate some dinner. I've been to the laundromat, and so just taking it easy this evening. And tomorrow we will ride to Cook City and eat breakfast, one of the greatest breakfasts you'll ever eat in Cook City, Montana. And then we'll ride a little bit into Yellowstone, most likely, see some buffalo, I hope. And then we'll be coming back toward Texas ever so slowly. So we are going to take our time, and but this is the northernmost part that we will be on this trip. So having a great time. As you can see the river in the background, as I mentioned before. There's my 2012 Harley Tri-Glide that has made it 2 trips now to this part of the country, with me riding it anyway, and just having a wonderful time. Hope you're enjoying the videos, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. See you down the trail.